Hi, my name is Chef Pete. I've been teaching and cooking Middle Eastern and American cuisine for over 20 years. Today we're going to be making a Texas pecan, apple, and cranberry salad. The pecans that we got are fresh from Texas. Amazing. We just toasted them and they are absolutely delicious. Can't wait to use them in our salad. I hope you enjoy it and I look forward to teaching you. So we have our mise en place here today, which means everything in its place. When you do cooking, it's much easier to have everything measured out so you're not having to run back and forth to measure this or chop that. We have some simple mixed greens today in a bowl. We also have a bowl to make our dressing in. And we have an apple that we need to prepare. And we have a lemon that we need to prepare. So we need to zest our lemon. And this is a little zester here. It makes zesting very easy. And that should be enough right about there. So we'll put this into our bowl. And we will peel our apple. And one of the things you can do for apples is if you squeeze a little lemon juice on there, it will keep them from turning brown. And we're going to thinly slice these up. And the dressing is very easy. Just a few simple ingredients. And what we'll do is quarter this and do some thin slices. We'll put our waste there. And we don't need a whole lot of apple for this particular recipe. I'm going to take a little smaller knife and core this and trim away any of the skin. You can also leave the skin on. And then we'll cut our lemon. And we'll just do a little, I know we need some lemon in our dressing there, so a little extra lemon won't hurt. And that will keep that from turning brown. And you want to remove that seed that just fell into the bowl. There it is. And then we will move this out of the way so you guys can see. And we're going to do some thin slices of our apple. As a little garnish here. Okay, that should be enough for our apple. So we'll make our dressing. And always good to have a little towel in the kitchen to keep your station clean. So we have our lemon zest in here. We have our Texas pecan oil, and we have some vinegar, which is apple cider. And we have some poppy seeds. We'll go ahead and throw that in there. And everything is measured out, and you should have the recipes. And a little bit of sugar. That'll counterbalance the tartness of our dressing. And we'll take a whisk, which I have right here. And if you keep the cut orange face up and squeeze, it'll catch the seeds so they don't fall in, which is what I should have done a little earlier. And then we're going to drizzle in our pecan oil to make an emulsification. And then we need to season our dressing with a little salt pepper. So we have our greens, and I will take a little bit of our dressing here. And just toss the coat our greens. Like so. And then we will get a plate. And we'll take our greens into the middle of our plate. And then I have some dried cranberries we can add around for a nice taste. And texture. There we go. Have a little bit of pomegranate, which is a nice kind of a sweet tart. And it's very nice to add some color and different textures in your salad. And then we have a few slices of our apple here. Like so. And then we have a little goat cheese to add. Just crumble this up. So we will chop up our pecans here. So you want to have enough pecans in there to get a little pecan in every bite. All right, so to finish this off, we're just going to take a little bit of our dressing and drizzle that around the plate. And there we have our Texas pecan, apple, cranberry salad with goat cheese. Let's see how this is. Get a little bit of everything in there and an apple. That is really good. Your family will really enjoy this. So why buy Texas pecans? They're low in cholesterol, gluten-free, and they're very good for you. So I hope your family enjoys the salad that we made today, and we look forward to doing another cooking video for you very soon.